In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your archived stories on Telegram step by step. This works using Telegram Web and is super useful if you've posted stories before and want to view or manage the ones that are hidden in your archive. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Telegram tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web by visiting web.telegram.org. Make sure you're logged into the Telegram account where you originally posted your stories. Once Telegram Web loads, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the sandwich menu, also known as the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From the menu options, click on My Stories. This section shows all the stories you've posted from your account. Now, look at the top right corner of the My Stories page and click on the three dots. This opens additional story options. From here, click on Show Archive. As soon as you do that, your archived stories will appear, and you'll be able to view them anytime you want. That's all there is to it. You've successfully accessed your archived stories on Telegram using Telegram Web. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram tips and how-to guides.